far as I can tell, you all have it figured out already. My nephew's a freak. He killed that girl. Isn't that about right?
I didn't know what to do, so I ran away.
Outside of D&D, I am no hero. I see danger and I just turn heel and run.
But he fought. He fought and died to protect this town that hated him. He's a hero. I wish one had gotten to know him, really know him, because they would have loved him. Even in the end, he never stopped being Eddie, despite everything.
This year's different. This year is my year. It's magical to graduate. I think it's my year, understand? I think it's finally my year. I love you, man.